Like that. Oh, shit. Can I shoot it?
Yeah, shoot it.
So hold it like that. Okay.
Let me hold it. Let me hold it.
Shoot it one more time.
Hold it like that.
Hey, where is it?
Here.
There we go.
Yeah, you can see the bird?
Yeah.
One more time.
It's over there.
Yeah.
Right there. No, it's too little.
Here, Jose, I'll do it.
Alright. Now I want to see if they kill it. Did you get one?
Hold up, Sal. Hold up.
Oh, damn.
Here, let me see. Shoot that bitch. Shoot that bitch. Man, it's still alive.
Don't kill it. Don't kill him. Let me kill him.
Let Jose kill it. Let Jose. Here, videos.
Ya, con Ah, como lo chingué.
Get it, okay? Not that close. Here.
What's that? Ahora, video tape. Fuck, Jose, get him.
I can't get him.
Get him. This is my little brother. I killed him. Nice job.
You got it?
Yeah. Oh shit! Shoot him again.
Yeah, he don't die.
He has 1,000 lives.
We're gonna kill his brother. Don't.
How is that? Oh, he couldn't. Look at that. How is that even possible?
It's a baby food.
That's the classic one.
Don't do it.
That's what you get. Headshot.
Get it, Jose. Oh, get inside.
Come on, Sul.
Yeah, how many birds did you kill? 3 or 4? 3. You killed 4. 3.
We're about to kill 4 right now.
Knock.
Yeah.
Hey, hurry up! You missed.
Now it's 3. Oh, look, they're the same. Look.
I know.
Yeah, they're brothers.